Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video is going to be another 2-week trial, but this time it is actually only on one single product. Today's video is going to be all about the drdennisgross clinical grade resurfacing liquid peel. I'm going to tell you all about using it, about my results. But before we get into this video, I kind of want to start with a how we got here. Some of you might remember that I have already reviewed this brand. I will link that video if you are interested. So at this point, as some of you quite well know, I've reviewed a lot of skincare brands, some of which have been more memorable than others. It's amazing that sometimes I forget that I have actually reviewed certain brands, but drdennisgross is not one of those brands. That was one of the most effective trials that I've ever done. And since doing that video, I've gone on to recommend the Alpha Beta peel many times. Well, drdennisgross reached out to me, not him personally, but the company. Just felt like I should clarify that. And they said, you know, we've seen your videos, we can tell you really love the brand. Would you like to review this product? It's a bit of a given at this point that I did indeed say yes. Now, what I'm going to do is take you back 2 weeks. We're going to do the before, and I'm going to show you how to use this product. Then we'll regroup for some final thoughts. And before I get too far ahead of myself, some quick basics about this product. This is available at the Sephora website. I will leave a link in the description box below. It is $95 for a 2-step system, not unlike the original Alpha Beta peel, although you do get 1 ounce of liquid in each bottle, and then you also get 40 cotton balls. So when you first get the box, you are going to have your cotton balls in this bag, in which they come out a little flat, but rest assured they do expand. Then you take step number 1 and you tilt the bottle over the cotton ball for 2 3-second turns. And then you are going to swipe it across your skin, avoiding your eye area. Set a timer for 2 minutes, and then you're going to use step 2, the neutralizer, repeating that same 2 3-second turns onto a cotton ball. And this tapping motion you see is what I prefer to do, so I ended up switching to this and did it for the rest of the trial. Okay, so now we are at my after phase, and I want to kind of comment on what the claims are with this product, what the ingredients are, and most importantly, who I think this is going to be for, because I do think there is a very strong difference that I noticed in using this versus the Alpha Beta peel. The website says this is an advanced liquid peel that features a pro-level mix of acids for ultimate pore refinement, visible wrinkle reduction, and increased radiance. Let me address all 3 of those separately. So as far as ultimate pore refinement, I am not the best person to comment on that. People with dry skin typically do not have the largest pores. We have other issues instead. However, visible wrinkle reduction, I can comment on. I've griped in a lot of videos about the lines on my forehead, and in 2 weeks I have seen a lot of reduction in them, even in the 11 area. And then also increased radiance. I feel like this was the biggest surprise to me, and I'm hoping that it's something that you are able to see on camera. So I was using this on my face and then kind of taking it down on part of my neck. I feel like that's about where I ran out of the liquid as far as it gets segmented into the cotton ball. Again, I'm really hoping you can see this. If you can't in this video, I know for a fact you can see it in the video I uploaded on Monday. There is a visible difference between the skin that has been treated with the peel and the rest of my skin in terms of radiance. There is a bit of a dullness that I don't think I was really aware of on my chest area, on my shoulders as well, whereas my face and my neck are visibly brighter. And I'm gonna tell you honestly, in comparing these results to using the Alpha Beta peel, these are much stronger results than I was getting from those. However, I noticed in looking at the website that the Alpha Beta peel claims to help with acne, whereas this peel doesn't, and kind of exactly as they claim, I don't felt like this helped me with acne. You can probably see I have a couple of breakouts going on. Nothing too severe. I mean, again, this is great for my skin. But what this boils down to for me is that I think this is going to be a better option if what you are looking for in a peel is a product for more mature skin or those 3 issues that this product promises to address. On the other hand, if acne is a bigger concern to you, you might be better off purchasing the Alpha Beta peel, which comes in different strengths. It's got one for more gentle, one for extra strength. And as far as the ingredients, this does contain quite the list of active ingredients. In step number 1, you get glycolic, lactic, enzymes including bromelain, mandelic acid, malic acid, salicylic, witch hazel, the list goes on, but much like the peel, it does contain alcohol as the second ingredient. This bothers some people. I can tell you personally, I have looked past it ever since I used the Alpha Beta peel. It does not seem to cause problems on my skin. Just wanted to mention that. There are also some plant-derived ingredients in step number 1, so if you have allergies, make sure you read the ingredients. Then what they did for step number 2, again, much like the Alpha Beta peel, they have calming ingredients. Colloidal oatmeal, which I've always found to be a soothing ingredient on my skin. Also, quite a few antioxidants, hyaluronic acid. So I want to end this video with some final thoughts, and I feel like the true test of a product is, what do you plan to do with it going forward? Are you just going to let it collect dust in your bathroom? To answer this concisely, do you think I want those forehead lines back? I'm just saying. But I have a strategy as somebody who does deal with acne and who, as I've mentioned, needs to include quite a few anti-acne products in my routine, which I kind of neglected while using this. I will be reducing my use of this down to once per week and reincorporating those anti-acne products. But overall, I would say if you are looking for solutions to fine lines or dullness in your skin, I would recommend it. I think, as per usual, Dr. Dennis Gross came through with a very effective product. That's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a like, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.